rock keeps on rolling. So Les Paul figures, gee, instead of getting a guitar and putting a block of wood inside of it, why don't I just make a solid body guitar? Gibson doesn't like it. It's not really a guitar, it's a slab of wood. A guitar to them is the beautiful acoustics that they've been making for years that Gibson is so famous for, that we already played, that were the beginning and birthplace of rock and roll. But rock and roll is playing to bigger crowds, bigger amplifiers, and the feedback is a problem. Les Paul then takes his idea of the log, makes it into a guitar. It's called a Les Paul guitar. They made very few of these in the late 50s. He started in the mid 50s, and it's kind of sold okay. This is kind of what you call the perfect rock and roll guitar. You can do everything with it. You can play jazz, you can play rock and roll, blues, and everything. A solid body guitar, thought of also by many other people in the world, but basically perfected by Les Paul. This is a replica of a 1959. My original one, I'm going to play a song called American Woman. My original one's in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame on display, but the Gibson made me this exact copy with the same pickups and everything. A great rhythm guitar as well. I'm going to play a little bit of my favorite song in the whole world and my favorite chords. Every time I pick up a Gibson, put it into a Marshall amp, this is what I play. Take that same guitar, give it to me, it becomes American Woman. American woman, stay away from me. You can hear how that guitar sustains, how clean the sustain sounds. That was a big #1 record for me. It changed my life forever. This guitar is still the guitar to play today for rock and roll and blues. Thank you, Les Paul.